Alright, YouTube, I'm back with another weekly vacuum video, and, well, I'm a little speechless right now, mostly because I've been going through some thoughts because I'm going to be working 2 jobs this coming up year. Yeah, I'm going to really be working my ass off. Carpet cleaning, and then I'm also going to be a janitor. So, anyway, I guess I should say something. Not really going to have much time for videos, really, because of that. And plus, I'm going to be sore a lot because knowing janitors, they always have to run that big, heavy orbital cleaner. So, anyway, yeah, we're going to get started with the video. Oh, and I also got new furniture. Alright, well, we're coming on in my day room, and yes, my phone light actually is working now. I don't know why it didn't before. Alright, well, I'm gonna go do my roommate's room. I'm not even gonna pause just to go in here because mostly because it's Not really necessary. It's right on the other side of the wall for the day room. Here we go. And there you go. You know, I think I will make vacuuming my room since I kind of got that arranged, and I will be back. Alright, yes, it's still a bit of a mess. I don't really sleep in here a lot because of it. I've pretty much got the floor to where I can actually do some vacuuming in here. But anyway, here we go. I will be getting this room really cleaned up, but that's going to take quite a while. Here we go. Look at those carpet lines. Sanitaire and Hoover's, old Hoover convertibles and Hoover Guardsmans are really the only ones who can make nice, clean, satisfying carpet lines like that. That agitation. That agitation. If agitation can move a penny, it's pretty good. Well, that wraps it up. I probably will start showing some vacuuming in my bedroom, but not a lot because it's still a bit of a mess. No, I'm not a hoarder. I just can't really keep that room arranged that much. No, I don't have ADHD. I'm just not real good at arrangement. I'm good at carpet cleaning, but arrangement is not really my MO. And just a quick note, I'm not embarrassed by anything like this because I know it's hard for me, but I actually had to suck up a dryer sheet with this thing so I could be able to stand to clean up the rug in my room. Because before time, well, actually quite often, I would go in there and get changed and tobacco out of my cigarettes would fall out of my pockets. Hey, I'm not going to just throw my cigarettes down in public. Because number one, that would be littering, which is a felony. And number two, paper on a cigarette can decompose, but the filter cannot. I better take that call. My boss. Anyway, yep, the filter in a cigarette cannot decompose, but the paper can, and I imagine the tobacco can too. But I ain't gonna throw out a cigarette in public because of the littering and all that shit. So I stuff them in my pockets and forget to take them out. So I had to put a dryer sheet in the vacuum so it would kind of take down the smell. And anyway, there's a little information on what I am up to now since I already got my golf cart repaired and all that. So I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me what you all would like to see, and I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye.